Today we are back at the Bramley Moore dock site to give you our weekly update on what's going on and what's been going on this week with the new Everton Stadium build. So we have just been up in the air with the drone having a quick look. Unfortunately the footage was cut short because it started raining. So we've had to get the drone down. We will post obviously the footage we did get. We were here through the week. We'd done that James Street Station walk to Bramley Moore. I don't know whether you caught it. I will leave the link in the description for that, okay? So we were hoping to get a big change. There's been some brickwork added onto the site, but because it started raining, I had to get the drone down. So we'll have to try and get that next week because it is forecast to rain again any minute. So, yeah. So what's new? As I said in our last video, the James Street one I just mentioned, the corner stands. Let me just get my bearings here. Southeast, the southeast stand there started coming up on the second tier, so you can get a real shape of the size of the stadium now as well. Look at that. So we are going to get into our drone footage. If you do like content like this, subscribe to our channel for future projects which are coming soon. A bit of rain on my mic there. If you have any comments or any suggestions or anything like that, questions, leave them down in the comments below and we will get to them as soon as we can. We're also starting to lose light. Fantastic. Let's just see if we can get a quick little shot here. I mean, we're not actually on the site, so I don't know whether you can see much. But yeah, it is really taking shape. You can get a feel, as I say, for how big it is actually going to be. Just before we get into our drone footage, which we are going to do any second, check out our video from yesterday. It's an important cause. We're doing a raffle type thing using the Just Giving page. The link I will leave in the description on this video as well. So we're supporting a charity called Mind, who support mental health, and specifically, you know, men's mental health is a real issue at the moment. One of the biggest killers is suicide. It's a very serious subject, and it's one that my channel I like to support. And obviously Everton Football Club have supported the cause as well by donating them signed photos you would have seen in yesterday's video. So if you would like to be entered into the raffle, make a donation. It doesn't matter how big or how small a donation is, just make a donation on the Just Giving page. You'll find the link in the description, and then you'll be entered into that draw. That draw is going to take place on a live stream on the 13th of November. Sorry, I lost my bearings then. 13th of November, which is this coming Sunday. So it's a fantastic cause to get behind. I will be posting the photographs wherever the winner is. If they're in Australia, America, you know, Taiwan, anywhere, I'll be posting them at my own time and cost. So don't worry about that. If you think, oh, we live too far away, it doesn't matter. I'll pay to get it posted out to you. The main thing is, you know, supporting this charity, getting some fundraising behind it, and, you know, ultimately, without sounding dramatic, saving lives. Right, that's enough of that. Alright guys, so let's get into this video. We'll see you soon, okay? Take care.